I'm a little ticked about this ticket, and I'm gonna go fight it. We're gonna fight him all the way to the governor's house. In this video, you're gonna learn about a safety issue for dealers and you when you're test driving a car. I would not test drive a car with what I got a ticket for happening. I got a ticket for trying to do the right thing. I don't think that I would test drive a car with this in it. It's dangerous. So that's in it, and you're gonna learn how to use a buyer's guide to make you money or save you money on your purchase. It might not work, but it might save you hundreds, even thousands, or it might get you a warranty. I don't think a lot of dealers are gonna like me saying this about this forum as far as getting a better deal, but so what? Here we go. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I got here for you today is a sticker about buyer's guides, the Monroney Act, an as-is sticker, and you, what it means for you, what it means for a dealer, what it means for all kinds of people. I've actually got one with me, and I'm gonna go over it with you a little bit later in the video. I make all kinds of videos, I have all kinds of cars, I do all kinds of things on cars, and I make, like I say, daily videos. And today, my woman got pulled over for not having one of these in the window. And as a dealer and having dealer plates and stuff, I have these in my cars because it's required for me to have these in the cars. And I'll explain what they mean for you. It's gonna be later in the video. I'm gonna rant about this for a minute. But here's the deal. This goes in the window of the car, and usually on the side window of a car. Now I've got little ones in these cars. When something's being driven, I take them out of the window. And that is what we got a ticket for not having it in the window. Now I've got a ticket for this before, years ago. And I wasn't very happy about it then, and I'm not very happy about it now. In fact, I'm a little madder now because I paid the ticket before. I'm not mad. I paid the ticket before, and something has to change. I don't know that I'm the man that can make this change, but the law states, I'll read this. This information, or the information on this form is part of any contract to buy this vehicle. Removal of this label before consumer purchase, unless for purpose of test driving, is a violation of federal law 16.c.f.r.455. And that's exactly the law that we got written up for on this. Now, we're not trying to break the law, but I'm going to show you how this looks in a window, and I might drop it in right here or something. So this is a nice little Mustang here. I got to get it ready for spring. And let's say I was putting this as-is sticker on it. Whoa, don't blow away as-is sticker. Look at this. You tell me a safe way to display this on the mirror on the car. And depending on its positioning, the mirror could be blocked to where you can't even see it. Just to where you cannot even see it. If it's up here, look at this. What am I gonna do, put it down here? I don't know what to do. And another thing is, if you put it in the back, now you're blocking at least, I'd say this is 1/4. I think this is 1/4 of your, 1/5 to 1/4 of your entire window. That's just not possible. You shouldn't have, there's no way it should be safe or is safe to drive with this in your window. But it's not something you can drive around with in your window. What if a little kid runs out in front of you? What if somebody pulls out in front of you or is passing you and you don't see him because you got a blind spot now? And whether it's my woman with my 2 kids in the car, or me, or my mom, my dad, or a client that comes on this property and then test drives one of my cars, I do not feel comfortable putting them in this car. It's upside down, I know, but I don't feel comfortable with that. How the hell are you gonna see what's going on? Now I get it, you got window all around you, but if you have some kind of fancy sticker on the side of your window, you're not allowed to obstruct the view with anything. So it's like a double-edged sword. I'm trying to do the right thing. And in the process of doing the right thing, I got fined $285. Now I think I got 8 days to be in court, 7 days not including today. Actually, my woman's got 8 days to be in court. She's not very happy about that. She doesn't do a lot of stuff wrong. She's not trying to get in trouble. Damn it. It's stinking cold. And I just washed my face and put hair stuff on. And my hair is freezing now is what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go over this with you and inside on a counter and talk to you about what this means for you when you buy a car. And make sure you get one of these, even though basically this just tells you that anything on your car can go wrong. There's a basic thing. But there's other things about it that I can explain, and I'm gonna go in on the counter and do that. But, okay, I'm gonna give you a tip or trick to try and get a little bit better deal on your car by using your as-is sticker or buyer's guide. And I'm getting ready to go out and do some things here tonight, make some more videos, and go out on the road, yeehaw! But before I go, I wanna finish up this video and get it on the YouTube. On the YouTube, yeah. Here's how you can maybe use this sticker to get a better deal. Most of the times, it's gonna be marked as is. And you'll notice two boxes. I'm showing it in the end of this video. As is or warranty. And then below it, it'll tell you what the warranty is. It's usually gonna be as is. And you're probably buying a cheap car that doesn't really, something that they're gonna warranty very long. But you could use it a bit. And you can say, you know, I like how the car drives and it seems really solid. Would you give me a 90-day warranty on it? Oh, no, I can't do that. Oh, okay. Would you give me a 30-day warranty on it? Oh, no way. I can't give any warranty on the car. Man, you know, geez. Okay, well, would you maybe split parts? If you want to go back a third time, you could ask for just a parts warranty. Or if a part breaks, they pay the part, you pay the labor. I would actually prefer to pay the part and they pay the labor. The dealer pay the labor. I would rather be, as a dealer, I'd rather pay the part and then pay the labor. Because usually labor will be more expensive on something. But that's just another way you can maybe get a better deal. But that's just maybe another way you can get a better deal out of somebody. And at the same time, if they don't take your offer 2 or 3 times of coming at them for a warranty, now turn around and use that against them to kind of get a better deal because it's as is. Well, man, being as is, I know you're wanting $1,950, but would you take 16, 17 maybe? And get them in there. Don't ask me. I see you're asking $1,950. Would you take $400? I get this all the time, man. I'll be selling an $800 car. I'm just getting rid of something. Cheap. Hi, I wanted to know, would you take $200? Dude, get a frickin' job. Go get the heck out of my life. So if you want the car, don't lowball and be insulting, because depending on the dealer, it could just nip the deal in the butt right there. And it would with me. But that's the deal. That's how you could use that sticker to get a little bit better deal. Hopefully this video tells you something about something, because I'm a little ticked about this ticket, and I'm gonna go fight it. We're gonna fight him all the way to the governor's house. I will be updating on this video because I don't feel that the Montana Highway Patrol is just doing they're doing their duty. And you gotta respect that. I don't have any bad against no one about anything here, but I don't think that it's fair. I don't think that you should be written up for not obstructing the view in your car. Because believe me, if I had like a big old sticker in my window, I'd be getting pulled over and it'd be a whole different ticket. But this is getting pulled over because I didn't have a big sticker in my window. So it's kind of just, I don't understand it. And I'm gonna update as I go to court, and I'm gonna make a petition that, hey, come on guys, you gotta be kidding me. In fact, I'm gonna look for someone on a Facebook group and see if I can get some help from a lawyer wants to be involved and make change in the Senate or in the House committee, or I don't know where the hell it is, but something needs to change, because these need to, if all these other dealers are driving around with these in their windows while they're driving the car, come on, man, that's just not safe. So, Mr. Safety here, and I'm not really comfortable with the way this is going. So, I'll update. There'll be more videos and more things going on. I'm gonna go inside and go over this. All right, here we are with the buyer's guide inspection, and I hope it's light enough. I'm gonna kind of read over it. Buyer's guide. That's pretty simple, right? Important. Spoken promises are difficult to enforce. Ask the dealer to put all promises in writing. Keep this form. And that's a true fact. That's something that everybody needs to know, and some people don't know, and the next thing you know, they're getting screwed-yo. So, and that's not cool. So, there'll be the vehicle name, model, make, model, year, VIN number, dealer stock number. Now, this one's not all the way filled out, and it's not in a car that I even have for sale. The car actually went through auction. No warranties, expressed or implied. Car is sold as is. Now, I've already got the box checked and ticked for as is, no warranty. But I write other things down because I want people to know that, hey, look, this thing's as is. I'm not guaranteeing you nothing. This old piece of junk. It's a stinking Pontiac 6000, 1985. Stuff breaks. You will pay all costs for any repairs. The dealer assumes no responsibility for any repair, regardless of any oral agreements about this vehicle. That's the way it is. That's how I sell 99.999999 all my cars. Warranty. If this box is ticked, then you'll have to go into the full or limited warranty. And then limited, the dealer will pay blank percent of the labor and blank percent of parts. And most of the times, the most common warranty given, which really is not much of a warranty, but it helps, is 0% of labor and 100% of parts, or 50%, whatever you can talk them into. Now, sometimes this form is a way to negotiate. And, well, I noticed that, and the way I would do it is, and I might do this differently, but I don't know. I would tell them, I noticed the car's as is. I test drove it. It seems really good. Would you give me a 30-day warranty? No way. I can't do that. Would you give me a limited warranty and just I'll pay for parts and you pay for labor? Always try to get them to pay for labor, I think, because most of the time, the labor could be the most expensive part, unless the whole thing blows up, and then you might be 50-50. Whatever. Work whatever kind of deal you think you can work, but this form can be used to try and strike a deal. And the dealer will then say the system's covered and the duration, and they do need to spell it out. Now, they should not have a little stain like this, but it won't deter from the value of it. Service contract, that can be ticked, or checked, whatever you want to say. A service contract is available at an extra charge on this vehicle. Ask for details as to coverage, deductible, price, and exclusions. If you buy a service contract within 90 days of the, time of sale, state law implied warranties may give you additional rights. Pre-purchase inspection. Ask dealer if you may have the vehicle inspected by your mechanic either on or off the lot. Now, I encourage everybody to get a pre-purchase inspection. And I hope I remember some of these keywords to throw in my video down below in the tags, because that's one of them. Now, big time is I make them sign this side and the other side, because at the bottom, see the back of this form for important additional information, including a list of some major defects that may occur in used motor vehicles. Now, I think it'll be easier to read on the white. I don't know. Let's see the yellow. The yellow. It ain't going to be easy to read on any of them, but I'm going to put it up here all the same. We'll see what we get here. Now, I can't read this from this far away and make a camera thing, a video. Below is a list of some major defects that may occur in used motor vehicles. And then it goes to frame and body, engine, and it talks about frame cracks, corrective welds, or rusted through. I'm going to try to get it as close as I can, and maybe you can read it. If not, I could post it in a group or something, a picture of one of these. But it's going to go over everything. The steering system. I mean, every single thing on your car is a weak link. Something could go wrong, break, blow up, or anything else. And basically, you need to know this. Now, I would fill this part out and put my name down for complaints, and there's room for the customer signature. Now, I want to show this up close. Important. I hope you can read that. I don't know. Important. The information on this form is part of any contract to buy this vehicle. Removal of this label before consumer purchase, except for purpose of test driving, is a violation of federal law. 16, wait, I can't see that from this angle. 16, it's 15 or 16, maybe you can see. CFR 455. Whatever, that's the one that I got written up for, we got written up for, and I don't think it should have been. Well, that was it. Thanks for watching. Like I say, daily videos, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And we'll see you tomorrow, basically, is what it boils down to. And that's all about a buyer's guide.